What is the speed of light? Correct answer is 3 times 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Which mirror is used in vehicle headlights? Correct answer is concave mirror. Which law explains buoyant force? Correct answer is Archimedes' principle. What is the unit of power? Correct answer is watt. Which device measures atmospheric pressure? Correct answer is barometer. Who discovered X-rays? Correct answer is Wilhelm Röntgen. SI unit of forces. Correct answer is Newton. Which phenomenon causes a rainbow? Correct answer is dispersion of light. Which color has the highest wavelength? Correct answer is red. What converts electrical energy to mechanical energy? Correct answer is electric motor. What is the unit of electric current? Correct answer is ampere. Which lens is used to correct myopia? Correct answer is concave lens. Which metal is used in making filaments of bulbs? Correct answer is tungsten. What is the unit of frequency? Correct answer is hertz. The force that holds planets in orbit is? Correct answer is gravitational force. Which waves are used in microwave ovens? Correct answer is microwaves. Which phenomenon explains the blue color of the sky? Correct answer is scattering of light. Which instrument measures humidity? Correct answer is hygrometer. What is the unit of work? Correct answer is joule. Which gas is used in fluorescent lamps? Correct answer is argon. What type of energy is stored in food? Correct answer is chemical energy. What is the escape velocity of Earth? Correct answer is 11.2 kilometers per second. Which device converts AC to DC? Correct answer is rectifier. Who discovered the law of gravitation? Correct answer is Isaac Newton. Which wave travels fastest? Correct answer is light waves. Who is known as the father of genetics? Correct answer is Gregor Mendel. Which organ purifies blood? Correct answer is kidney. Which vitamin is produced by sunlight? Correct answer is vitamin D. The basic unit of life is? Correct answer is cell. Which blood group is universal donor? Correct answer is O negative. Which part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? Correct answer is leaf. Largest organ of the human body? Correct answer is skin. RBCs contain which pigment? Correct answer is hemoglobin. Which disease is caused by deficiency of iodine? Correct answer is goiter. Study of fungi is called? Correct answer is mycology. Which organ controls body temperature? Correct answer is hypothalamus, which enzyme is present in saliva. Correct answer is amylase, which vitamin helps in blood clotting. Correct answer is vitamin K, the smallest bone in the human body. Correct answer is stapes. Green plants are called. Correct answer is producers, which blood cells fight infections. Correct answer is WBCs, which plant stores food in roots. Correct answer is carrot, which gas is released during photosynthesis. Correct answer is oxygen. What is the normal human body temperature? Correct answer is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius. Which organ secretes insulin? Correct answer is pancreas. Study of birds is called. Correct answer is ornithology. Which disease is spread by mosquitoes? Correct answer is malaria, which is known as the powerhouse of the cell. Correct answer is mitochondria, which blood group is universal recipient. Correct answer is AB positive, which plant traps insects. Correct answer is Venus flytrap, the layer of atmosphere where ozone is present. Correct answer is stratosphere. Which planet is known as the red planet? Correct answer is Mars. Which gas is most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? Correct answer is nitrogen. What causes tides? Correct answer is gravitational pull of moon, the instrument used to measure earthquakes. Correct answer is seismograph, Earth's hardest rock. Correct answer is diamond. Which planet has the most moons? Correct answer is Jupiter. What is the shape of Earth? Correct answer is oblate spheroid. Which layer of Earth is liquid? Correct answer is outer core. Which gas causes global warming? Correct answer is carbon dioxide. Which is the nearest star to Earth? Correct answer is Sun. Which planet is called Earth's twin? Correct answer is Venus. The process of water cycle mainly involves. Correct answer is evaporation, condensation, precipitation. Richter scale measures. Correct answer is earthquake magnitude. Which mineral is the main source of aluminum? Correct answer is bauxite. What is the study of earthquakes called? Correct answer is seismology. Which gas is essential for breathing? Correct answer is oxygen. What is the Earth's largest ocean? Correct answer is Pacific Ocean. Which planet rotates from east to west? Correct answer is Venus. Which planet has rings? Correct answer is Saturn. Which ecosystem is the largest? Correct answer is ocean ecosystem. What is the main cause of acid rain? Correct answer is SO2 and NO2 emissions. The longest day in Northern Hemisphere. Correct answer is June 21st. Which process forms fossils? Correct answer is sedimentation. Which planet is known as the blue planet? Correct answer is Earth. The chemical formula of washing soda is? Correct answer is Na2CO3, 10H2O. Which acid is found in vinegar? Correct answer is acetic acid. Which gas is known as laughing gas? Correct answer is nitrous oxide, N2O. pH value less than 7 indicates. Correct answer is acidic solution. What is the hardest natural substance? Correct answer is diamond. Which gas is used in balloons? Correct answer is helium. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Correct answer is mercury. Who is the father of modern chemistry? Correct answer is Antoine Lavoisier. Common salt is chemically known as? Correct answer is sodium chloride. Which gas is used for ripening fruits? Correct answer is ethylene. Which element is essential for making stainless steel? Correct answer is chromium. What is the main component of LPG? Correct answer is propane and butane. Which acid is present in lemon? Correct answer is citric acid. Which polymer is used to make plastic bottles? Correct answer is PET, polyethylene terephthalate. Bleaching powder contains which element? Correct answer is chlorine. What is the chemical name of baking soda? Correct answer is sodium bicarbonate. Which metal is most reactive? Correct answer is potassium. Which gas is used in fire extinguishers? Correct answer is carbon dioxide CO2. Which process converts solid directly into gas? Correct answer is sublimation. Which vitamin is also known as ascorbic acid? Correct answer is vitamin C. Which isotope is used in nuclear reactors? Correct answer is uranium-235. The noble gases belong to which group? Correct answer is group 18. What is the main ore of iron? Correct answer is hematite. Which acid is present in the stomach? Correct answer is hydrochloric acid, HCl. Which metal is used in galvanization? Correct answer is zinc. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel to get more interesting GK and current affairs.